enough for that big couple years way too long, babe. And I'll be damned if I'm gonna stick around and take any more of your shit.